Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Shark Navigator Professional NV360 vacuum cleaner. If you're looking for a budget-friendly but reliable vacuum for carpets, hardwood floors, and even allergies, this might be the one. Let's see what it offers. Key features: lift-away design. The detachable pod lets you clean stairs, furniture, and even your car with ease. Anti-allergen complete seal plus HEPA filter. It captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, which is great if you have allergies or pets. Swivel steering makes it super easy to maneuver around furniture. Multi-surface cleaning works on both carpets and hard floors without losing suction. Performance. On carpets, it picks up most dirt, though fine debris can be a little tricky. On hardwood floors, it performs even better, almost spotless cleaning. For pet hair, it does a good job, but you might have to clean the brush roll often. Independent reviews show it removes over 90% of dust and debris, which is impressive for the price. Conclusion: overall, the Shark Navigator Professional NV360 is a solid choice if you want powerful cleaning without breaking the bank. Not perfect, but reliable for everyday use.